In this video, we're going to quickly review the market model and take a look at what happens with shifts in demand and shifts in supply. So we have our price on the y-axis and quantity on the x-axis. Here we have our upward sloping supply curve and our downward sloping demand curve. Where the two curves meet is our equilibrium point. So our equilibrium price is $5 and our equilibrium quantity is 600. If something were to occur that shifted our demand curve in to D1, what we would see is that now only 300 of this product are demanded at $500, whereas 600 are still being offered. This results in a surplus of 300. The result of this is a downward pressure on price, and as price falls from $5 to the new equilibrium of $3, we would find that fewer people wanted to sell the product as price falls, and more will want to buy it until we reach our new equilibrium point of $3 and 450 of the item purchased. Conversely, if something were to happen that shifted demand out, what we would see is that there would be upward pressure on price as more people demanded the product, resulting in a higher price as well as a greater quantity bought and sold. Once again, we'll look at our market model. Now we're going to take a look at a shift in supply. So again, we have our equilibrium price of $5, our equilibrium quantity of 600. If something were to occur that shifted our supply curve in, say wages for employees went up, or it became more expensive to buy the inputs for this product, we'd have a new supply curve at S1. As you can see, the equilibrium point has moved again. Now, at a price of $5, only 100 of these items is being sold, whereas 600 people are still looking to buy the item for $5. The result here is a shortage. So this square represents the shortage. There will be upward pressure on price, and we would eventually reach a new equilibrium at $8 and $350, or 350 in terms of quantity. So the reason for that is because as price goes up, more people will be willing to produce the product, and fewer people will be willing to purchase it until we reach this new equilibrium point.